Well, today we are here in Khon Kaen at one of my favorite restaurants to stop at on the road for some awesome barbecue chicken and all kind of Isaan food here. Khon Kaen Thailand. I'll leave a link to this place in the description box if you guys are ever passing through Khon Kaen area. I think this is Highway 12. You've got to stop here and try this out. So let's go in and see what's cooking. Okay, let's get some of this Khon Kaen. Oh, okay. A little bit. Okay, let's get a little bit of this. Give it a try. Of course, in Thailand you have to have som tam Thai, which is papaya salad with fish sauce. And we've got what we came for was the barbecued chicken, gayang. All right, let's get some of that chicken. It's hot. Nice and hot, juicy. Very hot. Got some yam tale, which is a spicy seafood salad. And you have to have lap mo in Isaan. It's just the thing to get. Spicy seafood salad. That's a plamuk, hoi shell, and a little bit of cilantro and a Thai chili pepper. Alright. And of course, it's not complete without sticky rice.
ข้าวเหนียว
ข้าวเหนียวอร่อยไหม
อร่อยมากไม่นะโอ้ยไม่เลยไม่ก็เอาเบะมันคือเป็นขาว
อ All right, well that was good. You guys killed it. หมดแล้ว
ไม่หมดเขายังตีนยังอยู่
กิน
อะไรประจำ
กินเลย
รายการได้ครบทุกอย่างนะคะ ทั้งหมดเป็น 915 บาทค่ะ 915
ต้มกาแฟ
ไม้เอาดังทองครับ ไม้เอาดังทองครับ ครับ Okay, that was pretty good. 1,000 baht. They had ถูกมาก
ถูกมาก
ถูกมาก When you're at a restaurant or you're at a business, it's really, it's impolite to tell the business owner that tuk means like cheap. Tuk mak. It's better to say mai pang, not expensive. It's mai pang. But in a group, not talking to the owner or the business owner, you can say that amongst each other, tuk mak. But it's kind of impolite to say that to the business owner. So, mai pang is what you say in front of the owner. They drank 2 beers and a table full of food. Very good. Now we are off to we're actually making a video today on our travel video series. I hope you guys check it out. If you want to, I'll leave the link up here for you if you haven't seen it already. Thank you very much for watching our No Time to Be Hungry cooking channel. We'll see you guys on the next video. Kapung kap, tok dear kap, lao jukin my kap. Bye.
คน
Goodbye, Mafia.
ทำทุกอย่างไว้ผู้ใดที่สั่งยิ้มอิ่มแล้ว
Im leo.
อร่อยมากค่ะ